conducting the final session of a day-long conference is a bit challenging, as participants often become exhausted by that time. Anyway, I will try my best to keep you energized and engaged. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. This is Mohammad Nazrul. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to BCMEA and Uni Ceramics for conducting this international conference and inviting me to present here as a discussion for this important session on investment opportunities in Bangladesh under the changed socio-economic scenario. Special thanks to Mr. M.D. Mamun Rashid FCMA, Acting President and Additional Managing Director of FCMA Limited. I found him very bold, honest and dynamic during his leadership as President in ICMA in 2022. I think his leadership will enrich the position of BCMA in international standard. I would also like to extend my thanks to our research person, Mr. Momin Haq, CFA, Vice President, Lanka Bangla Investment PLC, for his insightful and comprehensive presentation. He has covered almost all microeconomic and macroeconomic factors. From my position in capital market, I would like to add briefly few perspectives, especially from the capital market point of view. I want to start my discussion from the third slide of the last the presentation, where he mentioned that Bangladesh offers two preliminary facilities for foreign investors in the capital market. That is, one, directly investment in secondary trading platform, and another one is equity participation in the companies who will be eventually listed in the capital market. If we talk about the secondary market, since 2010, DC index continuously falling, and in that time the index was 8,292. Now it is around 5,100. If we consider the downtrend percentage, it will be 38%. During this time, we get to spike in 2017 and 2021. If we consider the latest one, 2021, now the corrected ratio is around 24%, which is creating a favorable opportunity for fresh investment. Particularly, our dividend yield is currently 3.82%, which is not only higher than any major Asian economy, but also surpasses that of development countries like Australia, UK, even Thailand. So, the closest highest dividend yield is Brazil, that is 5.5%. So our dividend yield is almost higher than almost Asian countries index. Not only dividend yield, our PE ratio is lowest than any other global countries, which is 9.5%. So this is a very good opportunity for foreign investor to invest in our secondary market, and many companies listed in DSC and CSC are trading below fundamental value, that offering opportunities for long-term investment and capital appreciation. We have around 135 mutual funds in our country, where closed-ended fund 36 and open-ended fund 99, which is managed by 68 mutual fund company. Foreign investors can diversify their portfolio through this mutual fund, and these are managed by our professional and fund manager and offer relatively lower risks. We have another fixed income instrument like bond. There are different types of corporate bonds are available in our market, that is zero coupon bond, green bond, perpetual bonds, This offers fixed income investors a new horizon beyond traditional banks, FDRs, or saving instrument. We have alternative investment opportunities, whereas our 12 alternative funds are available in our country, which is managed by 29 fund managers. This regulatory framework now allows investment in venture capital, private equity, impact funds, and which attracting new net worth individuals and institutions. What is the tax implication for foreign investors? Currently, the foreign tax on dividend for any foreign investor is 20%, and capital gain tax is around 15%. If country has DTA, that means double taxation avoidance agreement, the rate will be differ. Another option is investment in private organization who will eventually converted or transformed to listed with our stock exchange. Currently, we have two stock exchanges. We have two way for fundraising. One is through public offering. Another one is QIO. In public offering method, there are 4.2 million, and if organization has 4.2 million fund, then they can raise this main platform, that is public issue rules, or if they has less than 4.2 million paid up capital, then they can use qualified investors offer method. This is basically a small platform. These changes are expected. Bangladesh Securities and Exchange Commission is currently in the process to amending public issue rules, margin rules, and mutual fund regulation. These changes are expected to pave the way for high potential and startup companies to get listed in the stock exchanges. This development is particularly promising for the ceramic industry. You will be surprised to know that only 5 ceramic industries is listed in our country out of 62. So ceramic industry can enjoy these facilities using this platform, and foreign investor who will engage with this organization, they also can engage their ownership through listing. According to the regulation, foreign investor investing in these listed companies and may exit their investment after completing a mandatory 1 year's lock-in period. Digital trading, fintech integration, digital BU accounting, account opening, mobile trading apps, and upcoming centralized trading platform like CDVL upgrades DSC Mobile have enhanced investor access and transparency. Last but not the least, with a young population that mentioned our resource person, growing economy, and ongoing financial reforms, Bangladesh capital market offers significant investment potential. Investors, that means retail, institution, or foreign, can benefit by aligning these strategies with market trends, sectoral strengths, and regulatory process. Thank you all for your patience hearing. Assalamu alaikum.